In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export an animated GIF in Adobe Media Encoder. First and foremost, before diving into the export process, we need to ensure that our composition in After Effects, or whichever application you used for your animation, is absolutely finalized. This means checking and verifying the duration, the frame rate, and of course, the size of your composition. Take a moment here to double-check these settings, because once you send it over to Media Encoder, any changes can require a tedious back and forth. Now, when you feel ready and confident that everything's perfect, we'll go ahead and send our composition to Adobe Media Encoder. To do this, navigate to the menu at the top, click on Composition, and select Add to Adobe Media Encoder Queue. This will essentially migrate your composition over to Media Encoder and get it ready for export. Once you have Media Encoder open, take a look at the Queue panel. This is where you'll see the job that you just sent over. It might look like a lot of information on the screen, but don't worry, we're only focusing on a few key areas for this process. Locate the Format column corresponding to your job and click on it. You'll be presented with a drop-down menu where you'll select Animated GIF, assuming this option is available. Selecting this sets the stage for exporting your file in the proper format. Next, let's adjust some settings to ensure your GIF exports exactly how you want it. Starting with the output file location, you'll see the current file name in blue text. Click on it to specify where you would like to save your final GIF. It's always a good idea to save it somewhere easy to find. In the settings, make sure you're in the Video tab. Here you'll need to set the resolution. This involves defining the width and height of your GIF. Also, pay attention to the frame rate. Sometimes the default might not match what you initially set in After Effects. You can adjust this if necessary to maintain consistency throughout your project. Apart from the basic settings, there are other tabs that may offer additional settings like color options and transparency. If your GIF requires an alpha channel for transparency, ensure that option is checked, provided Media Encoder supports it for your project. Now that you've carefully confirmed all your settings and configurations, it's finally time to export your GIF. Go back to your Queue panel and click on the Start Queue button, which looks like a green play button. Media Encoder will then proceed to process and export your GIF according to your specifications. And there you have it. Your animated GIF is ready to be shared with the world.